Hi guys, welcome to Simple Programming. In our previous videos, we looked at how a payload type router works, how a recipient list router works. In this video, let us see how a header value router works. Let us say you want to route to a channel depending upon the value in a header. You can use a header value router for those scenarios. Let us go through the implementation details. So I have an integration controller which is going to accept a student request body and a address request body. Then I have a messaging gateway, and the gateway is going to be the process signature method, and it is going to accept requests through the router.channel. Let us quickly go to the configuration. And in the configuration, I have a payload type router, which is to differentiate the student object from the address object because we have a generic type of T in the process signature. And then what happens is like when the request comes to the router.channel, it comes to the payload type router. It determines what is the type of the payload and then routes it accordingly to the different channel. In this case, if the student object comes in, it will go to the student enricher channel. And if the address object comes in, it will go to the address header channel. So when it comes to the student enricher channel, we are going to add a new header called test header, and we are going to give a value student. In case of the address enricher channel, we are going to set a header test header with the value address. I hope you remember we looked at header enricher and how header enricher can be used in our previous videos. So I'm going to use the same concept here and enrich the student header as well as the address header in this. So once this is processed, right, the output channel for both these transformers is going to be header payload router channel, header payload router channel. And when the request comes into the header payload router channel, we're going to inspect the test header, the actual header that we want to inspect. If the value of the test header is student, then route the request to student.channel. If the value of the test header is address, then route it to the address.channel. So in the student service, I have the service actuator which is going to accept the student.channel messaging channel, and then in the address service, I have a input channel address.channel which is going to accept the message from the address.channel. So let's quickly run this example and let us take a look at the behavior. So first I'm going to fire the student request body. Let me click on send. Okay, the status is 200. Let's quickly take a look at the console. In the console, you could see here that the request has now come to the student.channel. Let me open up the integration config. So in the integration config, depending upon the test header value, the request has been routed to the corresponding channel. So in this case, since it is a student object, it has been routed to the student channel. And let's fire the address request body now. Clicked on send. The status is 200. And now do you see the request has come to the address.channel. So this is how you make use of an header value router. I hope this video was really good. Please subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.